Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and I today again make a video and I want to talk with all of you. So please watch my full video and correct me where I made mistake and where I get more fumble. So please correct me and please help me in my journey to learn English communication skill. So yeah, I just uh, I just want to share my point of view and what I think about the year of 2025. It's going to end soon. I think it's last 3 and 4 day we have only, and then after we will welcome in our 2026. So yeah, so if I talk about in 2025, then for me it not much good. I think not for everyone it going to good, and it happens a good incident in 2025, and there are ups and down for every life. It's happened, and I just say one thing. In 2025 I learned a lot thing for myself only, what I did mistake, and from my mistake I learned my mistake. From my mistake I learned new thing. How can how can I express my feeling, how can I express my thoughts, what I think in my mind with my family, friends, and anyone. So like in this year, um, I I saw a lot new thing. I saw my family upset down, and yeah, I didn't say this. It's happened in my family only, and it's happened with me only. No, in this world, every in single home, every in single house, every in single family members, they have a problems a lot. But yeah, but what I think, what I realized for in this year, so I just say this thing only. So yeah, I learned from my mistake, and I try to make my I try to fix what I made mistake, and what I made a good bad decision and all those things. So yeah, definitely uh, did correct, and do my good I take my good decision, and in my future I will definitely create, and I will definitely do the correct work on me, or correct work for me and for my family. So yeah, this year teach me a lot new thing. This year teach me um, how can I um, fall in my mistake, and after that how can I come back with my mistake, and I did definitely do my I did definitely made a mistake, but I will definitely not make a mistake again. And if I make a mistake, then I correct it, and I just go in a good way. And yeah, so in the new from the new year, and from the new beginning in our life, we create a good thing. We will definitely create a good thing, and yeah, that's it. And please watch whole video, and please guide me, and please say me where I did mistake, in the in the way while I am speaking, and how can I fluent day by day. Please guide me, and please message me how can I become a good fluent in English speaking. Thank you, and in advance, everyone, happy new year. Bye bye, and be late. Merry Christmas to all of you. Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone.